Hi, I'm Sean Mohammed. I'm clinical faculty at Palm Beach State College. I bring students to the hospital and we focus on bridging the didactic within the classroom to the clinical setting. The education is way beyond that of any other institutions. The faculty and staff go above and beyond to ensure that the students are competent, critical thinkers, and will provide the excellent patient care that any patient deserves.
I wanted to become a nurse because growing up I saw my grandpa battle cancer. It just inspired me.
I got into nursing, really a second career for me, if you will, because I was at home raising my 4 kids.
Some of the most important skills, especially now being in a professor role that I get to see, as well as nurse in the hospital, a lot of nursing students miss the actual clinical portion. They don't get to talk to patients and have that communication, build rapport, practice their skills while they're still in school. So I was able to now take what Palm Beach State gave me and give it back to new students, new minds, and help mold a future of nursing.
I've made lots of friends. The teachers are amazing. Everyone's super supportive. I know it's worth it because I drive an hour to school all the time.
Palm Beach State College, I think, has prepared everyone, including myself, very well for when you step into the clinical setting. It's very important. You can learn something in a book and it might not always translate to in person. It's really taught me a lot about critical thinking in high stress situations.
Once I graduate nursing school, my plan is to hopefully work in the ER. I like being the first face that the patients see when they come into the hospital.
When I graduate this semester, because of the opportunities Palm Beach State College has provided me, I will be working as an emergency room nurse. My next step in my nursing career is to go back to school at Palm Beach State College for the bachelor program, as I'm working as an RN.
So for those who say, oh, I'm too old, or I can't do it, or I'm too busy, you can do it. If you're strong-minded, there's a will, there's a way. The faculty extremely helpful in bringing you through, carrying you through to the finish line.